Yes, welcome to our YouTube channel. Welcome. Thank you for subscribing our YouTube channel. And I'm by names of Maurice, the Crochet Master. And here is I'm premiering the new hairstyle called Spring Coils. Spring Coils. Yes, it is very new, and we are plating it in a crochet format. So I want you to follow me step by step so that you get to learn how you can plait the spring coils. This is very nice. It is light, flexible, and easy to style. So I want you to subscribe and you watch this video up to the end so that you can see all the steps that I'm going to be taking to show you how how we can crochet the spring coils. So as I told you, I always work with my team. Yes, so I'm crocheting so that they finish the braiding. So this is how I keep on crocheting, because we have the academy here, the Hair Zip Academy. So the way we're learning here on the channel is the same way we can be learning here live. So just follow me as we're doing this together. The spring coil, it is very nice and still new. Yes, so like the way I told you, like I be crocheting when others are finishing the braiding. So this is how we keep on doing, so that we do the work very quickly. Yes, just like that. And the spring coils, all I can say about it, it is nice, light, flexible, and easy to style, as I'm going to be showing you in other next videos on how you can style your spring coils. So I want you to follow me because as I told you, like we have the lessons every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So keep watching as we're doing this. Yes, and don't forget to subscribe. Yes, it's the new hairstyle called spring coils. You're going to like it. You're going to like it. You see how I keep on plaiting it? Yeah, just rolling that small hair, the one that you have just separated on that braids. It's one that you keep on rolling on the way, just like that. You see? Yes, you see, just like that. So here I come back to crochet, like to see where I'm to add on so that my spring coils can balance. Yes, so you see how it would be gent, then you bring the big just like that, then crochet it. Yeah, that works. Yeah, that's how we keep on doing the crochet. Yes. You see. Yeah, I try also to do it, as you can see. Yeah, just like that. I'm doing it myself too. Yes, just like that. So I want you to subscribe so that we keep on doing all this. And please, if you have anything that you'd want to ask, please, you're free to ask, and I'll be there to answer all your questions. I'll be there to answer all of your questions. So just ask anything. Yeah. You see how I roll it myself? Just like that. Yeah. I roll it myself just like that, you see? Yeah, and when I'm done, I'm just going to show you just a little bit something that will add on an hour on the styling, how I'll be styling the sprinkles. I'll be showing you how you can sell this on my next videos. It will be next week, so please make sure you're there to watch it so that you keep on enjoying the Frenchy coils. It is very, very nice and lovely. I like them very, very much, and you also like it. So you see how I try to style it just a little bit, so just like that. And I'm showing you how you will be styling yourself too if you want to style the French cornrows. So this is how we do it here at Hair Zipper, and let me leave you for now. I sign out. I'm the names of Maurice, the crochet master. Let's rock with the spring coils. It's going to be massive, very nice for you. I love you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe. Yes, please don't forget to subscribe for the next videos. Remember, Saturday I'm going to be showing you a lot of things. So I love you so much. May God bless you. Mwah.